This is the studio. There's a big window. No water in the studio. Two big windows. Okay, coming into the kitchen. And here's the laundry room off the kitchen. Arch doors and built-in cabinetry. Okay, this is the countertop that might be a little bit too high, but plenty big enough to look out the windows and to be open floor plan. Okay, this is the entrance off of the living room into the lower bedroom, which was 2 bedrooms, but now is 1, but could be made back into 2. Here's the bathroom on the main floor. And the bedroom. Here's the closet.